Alright, so I already fixed this one. I thought I didn't have it right, but I forgot because it's been such a long time since we had these ones working that I thought it was a light switch, but no. Like, our house is old and it just controls the electric, like an electric switch. And I was like, yeah, I'm good, because like I didn't take no classes. I took a couple of just little pointers on the internet, and I made sure always to turn off the fuse box. Well, I wasn't sure which one it was, so I just turned them off. But I'm about to take this one off and replace it with this new one. And it tells you right here, it says top. So it should be the same as that one, and it should be the light one. And then they come with these normal ones, but if you have an old house, keep the old screws, because these old screws are super long compared to these little screws that are not going to grab onto this. Pull it back. Alright, so the mess up thing is like in the videos they tell you, oh, the black, the green. No, just make sure which cables. I'm not no damn electrician either. I'm a freaking homeowner. I'm not gonna pay for no electrician. So that one's the top. And this one is the bottom. Top. I like to use the needle nose pliers just to kind of curve it. So kind of hug around the little thing, but I did too much. All it needs is a connection right here. And once it connects like that, tighten it. And like I'm telling you, I'm not an electrician. I just learned this online. And my light hasn't been working for, I want to say, a year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know. It's been too long that I don't even know. That's why I forgot that there was 2 light switches, and I'm like, I did not do good. So I'm gonna hook this one, and they're really tough cables, so you gotta kind of wrangle them like you wrangle anything in your life. And then so this is, and it says top right here, so that the wires are really hard to push back, so you kind of just gotta shove it back. And now, see, like this one is going way easier for me. With the long screw, I have to align it with the hole of the box that it has in the back. What's going on, son? Tighten it just a little bit, because you want to kind of, you don't want to tighten it all the way, because you want to tighten them together. Oh, steady hands. And then the other one, and then it has 2 holes, but depending on your house, my house is an old house, so I have to go through the top ones. There we go. And you know what? Stop right there. There's a plate that came with it, I think. Before I tighten them. Yeah, new place. I'm not going to go with my other make sure that they're gonna fit in this form. Oh, look at this one needs to go up a little bit. All right, well, before I do anything, hold on, give me a minute.